I'm trying to send the answer to
Yes, Mr.
but
Arav, they are correct. I have checked your answers. So in decimals, this would
What?
be 2.7 and this would be, because this is the whole part and this is the fraction part. This is whole and this is fraction. So it will be 3.9.
Sir, what does arrow mean? Arrow?
I don't know. I really don't know. Yes, which was the question you were having doubt?
The
Sapman?
question 6 of self-assessment exercise.
For what value of A?
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I go to the washroom?
After giving the answer. I'm typing the question. A times A is equal to 1 and A divided by A is not equal to 1. I don't think so. There is any number which exists.
Yes.
So that's the answer. Because A into A is 1. So only possible value is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. कोई और possible value है ही नहीं.
Sir,
But 1 divided
0.1.
by 1 is also 1. तो ऐसी कोई value which satisfy both the conditions does not exist.
Sir, 0.5. Oh, sir, sorry,
0.5
sorry.
means 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. That will give you 1 by 4. Right?
It gets smaller.
So, Zapman, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you don't understand?
1 by 2 into 2.
बेटा तो फिर वो ए नहीं रहेगा ना, ए की दो वैल्यूज कैसे लोगे आप?
Oh, huh.
Next question you have to convert into decimals. Bacha questions I am giving. This should be C. And D is do these two questions.
Sir, what are we doing in these questions? Because I got disconnected.
Convert into decimal, and next is you have to just give the answer.
Okay, sir.
So Miss Agni Astra, please join on time from next class. Okay?
Okay, sir. I forgot there was a class today.
You always forget.
Sir, I never forgot before this.
Candy. What's my
Sir,
So Candy, should I explain once?
No, sir.
So 1000 has 3 zeros. So I will shift the decimal how many places to the left? Decimal is supposed to be here. So 1 to the left, 2 to the left, and 3 to the left. So it is going to come here. So it will be 0.013. It will be 0.013. Now your teacher might want you to write 0.01. And when I multiply, I shift 3 places to the right. So Agniastra, when you multiply, when you shift 1 place to the right, it becomes 2.7.
Yes,
When you
sir.
shift 2 places to the right, it becomes 27. When you
Yes, sir.
shift one more place to the right, it becomes 270.
Sir, I sent that again also.
Okay. Now next, how do we multiply decimals? Let's see. Suppose I have 9.1 times 1.2. Then फिर कैसे करेंगे? We just multiply normally 91 into 12. Forget the decimal, multiply normally, you will get 1092. Then because यहाँ पे 1 decimal place है, यहाँ पे भी 1 decimal place है, there is 1 digit after the decimal, there is 1 digit after the decimal. So I will shift the decimal 2 places to the left and my answer will be 10.90. One more example. Maybe I can give this one. 0.91 times 1.2. So here, how many digits are there after the decimals? 2. How many digits are there after the decimals? 1. So I will multiply normally, I will get the same answer. Then I will shift 3 places because 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 places to the left. So I hope this is clear. There is no doubt regarding this.
Yes.
So do the next question. 5.12 multiplied with 2.1. Do it. And don't make mistake in multiplication. Rabba.
Sir, are we
That's
still
why we should
completing the
not
game?
watch the room
Not
during the
mine
class.
too.
Because if we watch the room, we get distracted and then we get questions wrong. Otherwise, in normal courses, Mr. Ba is not the one who will get this question. So Mr. Blah and
Lose
UI,
all the opportunity.
पहले
So
मैं
our game is
normally
continued.
पहले मैं normally multiply करूंगा 512 and 21. So what will I get? I will get
10,752.
10,752. Now how many digits are there after the decimal? 2. How many digits are there after the decimal? 1. So I will shift decimal 3 places to the left. My answer will be 10.752. So Mr. Blah, UI and Arora. G. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next question in one message. I want both answers. You like the question, guys? That's great. Candyman. One minute is sufficient.
Correct my answer.
Is the game still continuing between me, Mr. Blind, Shaurya? I think.
Yes, I told it will continue now. Shore has a 1 point lead
How, sir?
because the last question both of you got wrong.
Sir, you did not even attempt it.
No, the last multiplication question.
No, sir, that was a tick for guy.
You got wrong and this one 10.752. You and Mr. Ba got it wrong. Shore is leading with 1 point. Yes, what?
So you didn't tell. So
Yeah,
I.
but last class I told her. So ma'am, just we'll write 1 point in front of Shore's point. So Candyman, first of all guys, I'll multiply normally. तो मेरा मुझे मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिया हुआ है तो आपको करना ही नहीं है गाइस. So there are two digits after the decimal. So I will shift two places. One place, two place. My answer is 89.17. Again, I will write 89.8917. And there are three digits after the decimal and one digit after the decimal. So I will shift the decimal four places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it will become 0.8917, which I will write it as 0.8917. So Zafman, Adya, Rohan, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have said my answer and it is correct.
Beta, there were two questions, na? So needed two answers.
Yes.
But thankfully you spoke today. Well done. Next, it is division by a decimal number. Should I explain or we remember? Should I explain once? What do
Yes.
you say,
Sir.
guys?
Yes, please.
Okay, I am
Yes, sir.
going to explain once. So we have 13.6 divided by 4. So guys, I can do 4 threes are 12. So I will get 12 here and 3 here. And 1 will be my remainder. Now, as soon as I get a decimal in my what dividend, I will put a decimal in my quotient. As soon as I get a decimal in my dividend, I will put a decimal in my quotient as well. Then I will continue normally 16. 4 fours are 16. Right, guys? Any doubts?
This method I know when both the divisor and the dividend have decimal place.
Better than that question I will tell you, but for now we are doing this question. these type of questions. Do it. I will give 2 minutes.
Mom is not checking mine. I said it's a long time.
We'll check beta.
Not checked. Yes, sir.
So now the scores are leveled between Shaurya, UI, and Mr. Blah. It's 0-0-0. No one is on lead. Ray and Goddess, it's time up.
Should I send? Mom is not checking.
Goddess, time up. So guys, देखो Goddess and Shaurya, मैं 2 को divide नहीं कर सकता. So I will have to put a decimal right at the start. Because I cannot divide 2, I will have to put a decimal right at the start. Then 3 9s are 27. 9 will fall down, then 3 3s are 9. Got it? Yes or no?
Sir, I misclicked. Instead of making 3, I accidentally clicked 1.
But beta, like we discussed, even misclicks or typing mistakes will be counted for the competition, of course. So 2.715 divided by 15. Guys, I'll be back in a minute, just bringing a book for you.
Excuse me, sir. May I go to the washroom?
Yes, you can go wash the room. So hacker,
Yes, sir.
hacker, Adya Agni Astra. Suhan Arora, Candy, send your answer, guys. All right. Because, beta, hacker, help me with the division. First of
So
all, what
I
will
got
I
it
put?
correct.
Sir, I got it. Can I resend?
Okay. So because I cannot divide 2, so I will put a decimal right at the start. Then 15 ones are 15. Now I can divide normally. I will get 1, 2. 1 will fall down. 15 eights are 120. 1 will be the remainder. And 5 will fall down. 15 ones are 15. So Candyman, guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Next question will be, let's see if we can figure out. I think someone might get lead in this question.
So what did you say right now?
No, nothing. Do this question.
Sure, you got a question wrong in the last question. So wouldn't they be tied?
Oh, yes, it was tight. But now it depends on this question because Mr. Ba has taken the lead.
Then why does Shaurya have a point on his name?
Ma'am, please remove this point. Please put 1 point on Mr. Blah. So, all right, guys, I am going to explain now. See, I have a decimal point at the start, so I'll put a decimal point right at the start. Now, can I divide this one after the decimal also? No. So, I will have to put another 0 here. So, Adya, UY, Rohan, Tanibani, and understood?
Should I put this only?
Yes, sir. Sir, but I
Then
have
That it came
finished
to
my
24
answer. Ma'am
divided
did
by
not.
okay.
so when
So,
it came to 24 divided by 6, I by mistakenly wrote 6.
okay. So that's my answer.
So it was a division error.
But the point should be equal because all three
Yes,
of us.
point will be equal on Mr. Ba and Shaw. I already told ma'am. So next question, I'm giving you one example. Suppose you have to divide by a decimal number, so then division is not possible. If I ask you to divide by a decimal number, then you cannot divide without making the decimal into a whole number.
Oh yes, sir, we multiply.
18.369 divide by 0.09. So what I have to do is first I have to convert this into a whole number. How will I convert? Of course,
Multiplied
by
by 100.
multiplying with 100 by 100.
1000.
100 by 100.
But when we multiply by 118, it will become 1836.
Yeah, because I am concerned about the denominator, not with the numerator. My denominator should be a whole number. My numerator fraction decimal में हो वो चलेगा मुझे. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I can divide normally. So 9 twos are 18.
The points.
And then because 3 will come here, So I cannot divide that. So I will put a 0 in my quotient. Then 6 will fall down. It will be 9 fours are 36. Then I got a decimal point here. So I will put a decimal point here in my quotient also. 9 will fall down. 9 ones are 9. And I will get 0. So the rule is whenever I have to divide by a decimal number, whenever there is a question where you have to do division by a decimal number, first you need to convert the, Adya, look here. First you need to convert the decimal number into a whole number. How will you convert that? Of course, by multiplying the numerator and denominator by 10, 100 or 1000.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
So next question. Ma'am, Shaurya and Mr. Blah have a lead of 1.
Also, Shaurya also got one question. Also,
Beta,
Mr.
but
Blah
the
also
first one you both got it wrong, na?
so that makes it equal.
No, no, no. Shaurya and Mr. Blah have a lead.
No, Mr. Blah has a lead, but then Shaurya does
बेटा
not.
एक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो डिवीजन का था या मल्टीप्लिकेशन का था वो आपका और मिस्टर बा का रॉन्ग हुआ था.
Okay, sir. Sir, I understand.
All right, let's see. So first of all, I will convert both of them into what? Into whole number, especially the denominator. Numerator can be in decimals. So of course, I'll multiply with 10 by 10. So I will get 13.2 divided by 8. Now I will do 13.2 divided by 8. So 8 ones are 8 and my remainder will be 5. I got a decimal here. I will put a decimal in my quotient. 2 will fall down. 8 6 are 48. My remainder will be 4. Now guys, because your remainder is not 0 and you can add any number of zeros after the decimal. You are free to add any number of zeros after the decimal. So this 0 will fall down and 8 fives are 40. My answer will be 1.65. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
So Ray, Avyan, Adhya, Ruhan, understood guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, next question.
Yes, sir.
Today we are doing bacha questions, right? So Miss Candy, unmute.
Sir, I got my mistake.
So beta, just tell me with which number you multiplied the numerator and denominator.
Sir, 1000.
1000. ठीक है. So multiply by 1000, multiply by 1000. So what will I get? 144.3 divide by 6. Then आप normal division कर लो.
Sir, I by chance did a step wrong.
Which step you did wrong?
Sir, after 14 minus 12, I wrote 4 instead of 2.
So Miss Adya, show me your working beta. Show me your notebook. I want to see your notebook. Adya, show me your notebook. Do it like this and show me. Can you remove the virtual background?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, very good बेटा. Fine, ठीक है. तो so do the 14th and 15th question.
So 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
Beta, you shouldn't ask that question in grade 7 at all. So Miss Adya, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Miss Adya. Beta, it's 100. Remember it from next time. Okay.
Yes, sir. So should we give the 15 questions answer in decimal or fraction?
Whichever way you like. You mean fractions. Guys should send both the answers together. Don't send one by one.
So can I change my answer?
Yes, you can resend your answer. So very good, guys, those who got both correct. So Mr. Ba, you will lose the lead. Shania, Tani Bani, Adya, send it. So the first question, Guy and Ruhan. So 19.5 meter is equal to 19.5 multiplied by 100 centimeters, which is equal to 1950 centimeters. So because you have to divide 1950 with 65. That would be 30. So all right, Rohan and Guy.
Yes, sir.
So 30 meters?
No, how many parts? So
Mm.
30 parts basically.
That's what I
30 parts of 65 centimeters each. Now 15th question. So those who got it wrong, I will ask from them. Shania, what is 0.2 times 0.2?
0.04.
0.04 plus 0.01. And who else got it wrong? The second question. Miss Adya. What is 0.1 multiplied with 0.1?
0.02. Both three, sorry.
No, beta, it will be 0.01.
0.01, sorry, sir.
0.01 plus 0.02. That will be 0.05 upon 0.03. So I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 100. I will get 5 by 3. So any doubts, guys?
So,
Sir, but if you give the answer as 0.05 by 0.03, would that be wrong?
Your marks definitely would be cut because it is not a simplified answer.
Got it.
I wasted too much time. Then I divided 5 with 3 and then converted it again into fractions as 1, 2 by 3.
So
So
beta,
what
when
is
you divide 5 by 3, it will be a non-terminating decimal.
so what is the final score then?
Yeah.
So what is the score now?
Score is Shore is leading by 1 and you and Mr. Bauer on 0-0.
Sir, I got disconnected.
Welcome back, beta. Heartiest welcome to you. So I will give a hint now. My hint is आप 0.75 को fractions में convert करो. That will make your life easier. Convert 0.75 into fractions. All right, I'm going to explain now. So for the first question, Tani, Bani, Aganya, Adya, and Candy, what is my first answer?
Sir, I sent answers for the first question. I wasn't able to solve the second one.
Chalo, guys. So, quotient when this is divided by 2.13, 0.0639 divided by 2.13. So, I'll multiply with 100 by 100. So, I will get 6.39 multiply with 2 by 213. So, this is 639, 213. Now, I cannot divide this 6 and I got a decimal, so I will put a decimal here. Now, can I divide this 3? No. So then what am I going to do? I'm
Put
going
a
to
zero.
put a 0. Now can I divide this 639? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, so you can divide by
I can, so 213 times 3 is 639. So that's my answer. That is question 1.
Sir, I sent 0.3.
Yes बेटा, बिकॉज हम डेसिमल के बाद अगर एक डिजिट नहीं हम डिवाइड कर पा रहे तो हमें ऊपर 0 लगाना है. If after decimal I am not able to divide one digit, I will put a 0 in my quotient. Next question. थोड़ा सा tricky था slightly, but I told you if you convert 0.75 into 3 by 4, your life will be easier. So 0.75 divide is equal to 75 upon 100. That is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 of a number is 1200. So let the number be x. So we did similar questions in the fractions chapter. X times 3 by 4 is 1200. So your number x will be equal to 1200 times 4 divided by 3. Division will become multiplication, multiplication will become division. This will be, your number will be 1600. So that's your number. Now the second part of the question says find 5 by 8 of that number. So we will do 5 by 8 of 1600. That is multiplication. So your answer will be 200 times 5. That is 1000. Got it, guys? So
Yes,
Candy,
sir.
Rohan, Ray,
Yeah.
Guy, and Aganya and Adya. And Heck.
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So the next topic is rational numbers. So what do you understand by rational numbers? I'll start today. What do you understand by rational numbers?
Fractions.
So you Sudaram says fractions. अगर rational numbers मतलब fractions है तो हमें rational numbers की क्या जरूरत है?
They're similar to fractions.
Like Sudaram is similar to Diya, that ways. Then
They
so
are
there is one
operations of
definition जो जब
fractions.
तक आप maths पढ़ोगे rational numbers की वही definitions पढ़ाई जाएगी आपको. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. That is the definition of a rational number. So why Q is not equal to 0? Because division by Q by a 0 is not different. P by Q मतलब आप उसको fraction form में लिख पाओ. जैसे for example 3 है. You can write 3 as 3 upon 1. 5 by 7 already written in the form of P by Q. This is by P by Q means this is P, this is Q. But 5 by 0, not a rational number because it's not defined.
Sir, what
It is
it is?
rational.
What if it is S 7/5?
It is beta rational number.
Okay, sir.
More examples. 7 by 5, minus 7 by 5, 7 upon minus 5, minus 7 upon minus 5 are all
Rational numbers.
rational numbers.
So there's infinite number of rational numbers and infinite number of non-rational numbers.
Yes, beta. So then this is the definition of rational numbers. And I will show you one diagram also.
Sir, is zero a rational number?
Yes, 0 is a rational number.
But then
See guys, 0 को हम 0 by 1 लिख सकते हैं. Whole numbers में क्या होगा? Positive integers and 0. Whole numbers और negative integers को मिला लो. Combine them, we get integers. And if we combine integers and fractions, we get rational numbers. Like integers are a part of rational numbers, fractions are a part of rational numbers.
that's not true. Integers include zero.
So rational number also includes 0, I just said.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
zero, I mean
But
decimal
fractions.
numbers होते हैं.
क्या?
Decimal rational number.
Decimals कुछ rational number होते हैं, कुछ नहीं होते हैं.
So how?
कौन से rational numbers होते हैं, कौन से नहीं होते हैं, that I will explain you later. क्योंकि अभी मैं बताऊंगा. अभी सुनना है, अभी सुन लेते हैं. कहानी सुन रहे हैं तो सुन ही लेते हैं. अगर मैं ऐसा नंबर लिखूं 10 डिवाइड बाय 3, तो मेरा आंसर क्या आता है? 3.333333333. एवरीवन एग्रीज? सबने देखा है 10 को 3 से डिवाइड करके. इसको मैं लिख सकता हूं 3.3 बार, लाइक दिस. सो इफ decimal is either repeating, ये रिपीट हो रहा है, or terminating, it might not be a part of your school syllabus, but just I am telling you for your information. If decimal is either repeating or terminating, then it can be converted to a rational number.
Now what
Now
is
you will say,
terminating?
sir, which decimal is not a rational number, which cannot be converted or not a rational number? So I will give you an example. 1.01, 001, 0001, जिसमें पैटर्न एक कॉमन नहीं है. ये पैटर्न नहीं है. This won't be counted as a pattern. जैसे 1.2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 3, 2, 7, 6, कोई भी एक फिक्स पैटर्न नहीं है. Then it is irrational. We call them irrational. That you will study in your 9th grade.
Sir, why can't we convert them into fractions? Can't we write 1 as the
बेटा
whole
वो
number?
टर्मिनेट हो ही नहीं रहा ना.
So
वो
we
तो
can write
कंटिन्यूअसली आगे जा रहा है. अब
can
आप
write
बोलोगे सर देन हाउ विल आई कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू अ रैशनल नंबर?
2 by
That is
3.
again
1
a
by 3.
grade 9. That is again a grade 9 concept. ये तो easy है, ये तो आपको दिख रहा है 10 by 3. But sometimes it will not be that simple and that visible. So then how will you convert? That you will learn in grade 9. अभी के लिए the definition. Yes, ask. और कहानी पूछो.
Sir, can irrational numbers ever become rational?
No beta, they cannot become rational.
Okay,
Sir, can I go to washroom?
Yes, you can go to wash. No beta, abhi mat jao. Class is over only. Okay kids, that's all for today. Bye bye.
I
Enjoy.
wanted to
Nice.
ask a
Bye.
question.
Bye, sir.
So Shaurya has
Bye,
one.
sir.
Bye bye guys.
Sorry, one.
Yes. Bye guys. Bye.